Yeah, so I did a little upgrade. So as you can see, we are now in color on this time because we are using the QuickCam VC, which is more recent, probably from, yeah, 3 years later, maybe, 98, which comes with a nice proper installation leaflet. Instead of floppy disk, this time you got the drivers on CD. It even comes with some software to make some video calls for friends and family. Complete with a lot of things. So the one I was using before was that one, the QuickCam Black and White, which comes with the absolutely useless stand where things fall all the time. And that time is very similar, but it's black. And yeah, so you can see what it looks like. This is the software, the Connectix Quickcam VC. Not sure if I can do some kind of forever picture or something. And that's what I was showing earlier, the computer with a mess of cables. This time we can almost see what it is. So it's connected on the parallel port, and there is some pass-through that connects to a PS2 connector to get the power. And that's it for this one. And you will get some proper video at some point later. Right now I'm just testing the hardware, making sure everything works.